Hello everyone. Artificial intelligence is a term that we have been hearing about a lot for the past couple of years now, mostly mentioned by tech giants or the dudes who own these tech giants. Now the thing is pretty clear to the people who do not really care about it. They know that it's a new kind of improvised robot, but the people who, and they are right, but to the people who care, thing is a bit concerning and a bit confusing. I did a bit of research myself, and what I found out, I'm going to try to explain in simple words here. So what these tech giants are creating in the name of artificial intelligence is they're creating one virtual person on the internet for every real person in the world. The job assigned to this virtual person, which is a bot, is to become your best friend, to get to know as many things about you as possible. Your hobbies, your likes and dislikes, your home address, your office address, where did you go to school, where did you go to college, who did you go to college with, and a lot of other really personal stuff. You know what I'm talking about. So the general perception is that all these informations that the companies say would be used just to serve you the right relevant advertisements. But the thing is, it does not really make sense. I mean, you're saving all the personal data of everyone on this earth, and like really sensitive data, just to serve them advertisements. I mean, what the fuck? Now, don't you think if you want to buy something, we can just go to the market, or we can just go to Amazon or Flipkart ourselves? You don't need to be served ads, and even you want to serve ads, serve it, no problem, but don't use every sensitive information just to serve ads. It can be and will be misused someday. Now, plus all this data can be used to really manipulate people, because they used to call the television idiot box, a stupid box or something. Same can be used with mobile phones. And yeah, I noticed, I actually went to Google activity. If you go there, you'll find out that Google does not only save everything you search on their platform, they also save everything you search in any other app. I mean, they save the time when you went to Instagram or Snapchat. They save the data of like for how many minutes you were there, what you searched for there on Instagram or Amazon or whatever. And that just does not sound right. It should mostly be like Snapchat or something, where they just delete the information after a few seconds. So there's no point storing it. So, but let's get back to artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is not only going to learn about you, but also your work and your environment, like your work, so it can replace you, which is actually a good thing. I don't really think that humans on this earth were put on this earth just to work and worry about next promotion and next salaries. So eventually that's going to happen. We're going to be out of work, and that's what all these genius people keep talking about, this thing called universal salaries, which sounds cool, but it would not actually be, because it'd be still you'll be dependent on someone. I think the system of money should be erased completely. It's useless, just a piece of paper. That's they call money. Anyways, so that's what now. The thing is, artificial intelligence is going to make life easier and really cool for some time. It's just going to learn things and improvise at a really fast rate. Initially things are slow. With computers, initially things are slow, but when they start growing exponentially. It's not 1 plus 2, it's multiplied. So there'll be a time when these things are going to be really smart, which is okay. So I don't know what's going to happen. I can't really predict the science fiction. movie scenario here. But the thing is, it's really good to know, it's really good to take care of the things that are happening around you. Even if you can't do much about it for now, but if you keep learning, if you keep noticing, if you observe everything, eventually you'll find out which the right path. So for now there are really few people working in this area, and which means it's kind of going through a monopoly situation. Like those 2 or 3 people can almost do anything they want to with this whole technology. So I would just really like it if more people got into it, so that more people could understand the thing. And because for now it seems like a small thing, but eventually it's going to be really important and really powerful. So it's really important to understand the whole thing and talk about it more. So I'm not saying that we should stop artificial intelligence and go back to Stone Age or something. You cannot stop progress. Things are going to change all the time. And it's just good to know what's going on. So take care. If you have any suggestions, write down in the comment section, and learn about the thing as much as possible. Honestly, people think the people that did study computer science or information technology in college should only be doing programming. It's not true, I mean, it doesn't make sense. It's just a computer, it's just a language, like there's other languages, French, English, and other things. It's just a fucking language. If you get to it, you see that it's really easy, it's not tough. More people should get to it, more people should get to have a say in it, so that it doesn't totally fuck up the whole scenario in a few years. So thanks for watching. I hope I was clear. I'll make more videos as I get to know more about all these things. So thanks for watching. Goodbye, take care. Mostly like these days we search on Google almost everything that comes to our mind, and the browser or the tech giants, they just save that information, just analyze